which is concerned with the impact of scientific advance on human beings, their unique relationship with art, literature, history, music, work, philosophy, community, technology, and psychology. In other words, man, the molecule of society, is the subject of social science. Who can understand this better than Mrs. Anita Bachchan, who has been dealing with the nuances of social science for the past 27 years? Today, today, Mrs. Anita Bachchan is saying sayonara to us. On this occasion of her retirement, we extend a very warm welcome to her and her family to the conference room. Sir Dr. Ramesh Chand, a member of the Niti Aayog, is no stranger to our school. He has been a presiding guest in many of our celebrations. A welcome once again, sir, to Kulaji Hansraj Model School. Her daughter and her family is also here for the send-off ceremony, along with her two brothers, Captain Ashok Milu, Indian Navy, and Brigadier Ajit Milu, Indian Army. And I believe her son will join virtually from Seattle, USA. A heart, okay, a hearty welcome to the entire family on this momentous occasion.
Her mother and father, they have also joined.
Right, right. The parents are also here. So they are all going to witness the send-off ceremony of Anita ma'am. I would now request Madam Principal to say a few words for Anita Bachchan ma'am.
Good afternoon to everybody present here, and I will say a special welcome to her parents who have joined us virtually, and her son also. In spite of night at USA, I think there it is 3 o'clock or 2 o'clock. In spite of that, for love, I can feel the love for her mother. I think. His
ये भाई
mother.
का बेटा बहू देखो अमेरिका से, का बेटा और बहू,
To,
ये बेटा है
her
ये बहू है.
her parents and the family is here. Her two brothers are here. Her husband is here, and daughter, her son-in-law. So all of that. So good afternoon to everybody who are present here and virtually also. So today we meet here for the send-off ceremony of Mrs. Anita Bachchan. I am glad that Mrs. Bachchan could come to school with her family for the program on our request. I extend a very warm welcome to her family once again to the institution and virtually also, where she has spent so many years. Mrs. Anita Bachchan joined our Kulachi Hansraj Model School in the year 1993 as TTT Social Sciences. She was transferred from DAV Public School, Solan. So many times she used to talk about Solan. I used to do this, I used to do this. वो मुझे लगता है कराची से ज़्यादा उसको अपनी सोलन की बहुत ज़्यादा याद है। ठीक है, अपने पुराने प्रिंसिपल को भी बहुत याद करती हैं। Mr. Mahendra Nath, if I remember. So even I have visited that school also. तो पुराना स्कूल बहुत याद करती है। जब भी मेरे पास रूम में आएंगे, I think कभी ऐसा दिन नहीं होगा जब ये सोलन को याद नहीं करती हैं। Because she misses that school also. So now after this, now she is going to remember Karachi as well. So these 27 years apart from tackling her subject, she has done many roles in our school. She has been a member of the examination committee for many years, a member of the Sayuk Club, that is the UN Club grooming students for women and celebrating UN Day every year, a member of the Calamity Combat Club for Disaster Management and also of RL Club. She has been a house in charge twice. She also has been managing bus duties exceptionally well. Because she used to talk morning में जब भी कोई problem होनी है और या afternoon में तो she used to talk to me about the bus problem also, and she knew each and every child of the bus, I think so. Whether the child was in class 11 or 12, and remembers the stop also. So we will get that also. So she has been a house in charge twice. She also has been managing bus duty passionate and enthusiastic participants in the many competitions that were organized for teachers, as she has taken up every task without a frown in honor growth. If I have to describe her in a few words, I would say she is a woman on the move, very active, very enthusiastic about everything. Today, we are going to I told her when you will come back from US, please do tell us. Then we will you can join again also. So no doubt we are saying goodbye. We can welcome you back also. It is not goodbye to the values that she has given to the students. May every day and every moment of your life is fulfilling one and full of joy. Enjoy your retirement and have a wonderful time with your family, especially with your son and your daughter-in-law and your grandson also there, and friends also. Live your dreams as much as you can. May God give you health and energy, peace and contentment in life. With you, go on endless prayer and best wishes for success in years to come. So all the best. Thank you.
I request Madam Principal to present a shawl on behalf of Kulachi Hansraj Model School for her sincere and dedicated services to the institution for almost 27 years. Ma'am, to also present a planter to her, and let's welcome her with a planter.
As per the grammar. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. These are from the friends. आप आगे आ जाओगे तो सारे शायद आ जाएंगे नीरू मैम को भी देख लें आप लोग मैं आ गए अब आ गए यस
Heartiest congratulations to you, ma'am. I would now request our headmistress, Madam Sunita Sinwani, ma'am, to come up and say a few words for her.
Good afternoon, everybody. And Anita, I am attending your bidding review function for the second time today. Once was in the early morning room. Okay, but that was a mega function, a congregation of probably 2,000, 3,000 people, where I could see everybody but you. This is the second time in a day I'm attending your bidding review ceremony. That chirpy, bubbly Anita. I don't know the day I crossed 60 and I have become very emotional. I'm sorry for that, but rarely there is a change in me the day I crossed 60. Anita, in you, I can see Mrs. Durga Rajpal. You were a very close associate the way I know you. Very close associate of Mrs. Durga Rajpal. And if I'm not wrong, her confidant also. And the very fact that she was very comfortable working with you, my regards to you. Okay? Secondly, I remember you as a house member when we had No India project. You remember that? And the kind of work all of us did. I know the kind of food we used to bring from home and the kind of time we spent in decorating the school and the programs, and you were a very active participant of that.
I still cherish that. I was also there.
Yeah, no India project will go with me when I retire. Yes. I remember now she can speak in her speech that aura and the glory, everything we project, you know.
I might go to school for 100 people.
Yes.
Yes. In our this year.
Very complete my speech. Wait for your speech. Okay. And then till today, I can see that chirpiness and that bubbliness will take. You don't walk, you run. Just now, I think Anita ma'am's husband, today you can call you as her husband, no? So he was saying that I really don't know why does she laugh at everything. I really have to ask for that reason कि हंसते क्यों? किसी के चौथे पर जाते तब भी हंसते हो, क्या हुआ? So that chirpiness is still there, no? And please maintain that. All my best wishes for your future endeavors. But one thing which I aspire for myself and for everybody, may God give you so much of happiness to spend rest of your life with your family and friends. May God bless all of you.
Thank you, ma'am. Let me now invite the in charges to say a few words. I would request Manju ma'am to come up and say a few words. Let us bid her goodbye with best wishes for everything in life.
So I have jotted down a few lines. I think you can come here. So बोले तो आप So it is a very emotional moment. Few lines I have jotted down. It says, समय चला, पर कैसे चला, पता ही नहीं चला. जिंदगी की आपाधापी में कब निकली उम्र हमारी यारों, पता ही नहीं चला. पर चढ़ने वाले बच्चे कब कंधे तक आ गए, पता ही नहीं चला. साइकिल के पैडल मारते हुए उस वक्त कब से हम कारों में घूमने लगे, पता ही नहीं चला. कभी थे जिम्मेदारी हम माँ बाप की, जब बच्चों के लिए हुए जिम्मेदार, पता ही नहीं चला. एक दौर था जब दिन में ही बेखबर सो जाते थे, कब रातों की उड़ गई नींद, पता ही नहीं चला.
बहुत अच्छे.
इन काले खरीद बालों पर इतराते थे हम, कब सफेद होना शुरू हो गए, पता ही नहीं चला.
Beautiful.
इधर उधर गए नौकरी की खातिर, इधर उधर गए नौकरी की खातिर, और बैठ के पता नहीं चला. कब रिटायर हो गए समय का पता ही नहीं चला. भले पूरे परिवार में हम सीना चौड़ा रखते हैं और अपने भाई बहनों पर गुमान करते हैं, तब परिवार हमारा एक से अनेक हो गया, पता
ही नहीं चला.
आपाधापी में कब निकली उम्र हमारी यारों, पता ही नहीं चला.
बहुत सुंदर.
Thank you, Manju ma'am. Indeed, it is an overflow of emotions. We can see this. Yes.
कब फिजिक्स टीचर से कवियत्री बनी, पता ही नहीं चला.
But very beautifully put. Very nice.
I would now request Yashu ma'am to come and say a few words. Let us wish her peace of mind and good health for her future.
All present and नमस्कार सर. मुझे शब्द ही नहीं मिल रहे. मैंने जो सोचा था वो मैम ने भी बोल दिया, वो सिंवानी मैम ने भी बोल दिया, और जब खतर बची थी कविता की वो बड़े में बोलती थी. तो मैं अपनी कुछ यादें बताती हूँ, वही बताऊंगी, है ना. कि इसके साथ मेरा बहुत पुराना रिलेशन है. ये ओरिएंटल और सुविधा हमारे आमने सामने हम नेबर्स थे काफी सारे और हमने काफी गॉसिप किया स्कूल बस में, याद है? खूब गॉसिप करते थे जाते हुए और इसके चेहरे पे थकावट नहीं होती थी इवन जाते हुए भी बस में। और she has done her job beautifully. Whenever she is given that bus duties, whether it is Dhoni trip or whether it is just the whole bar of Patel trip, she is doing that bus duty best. She knows every child in the bus and cares for that child. Cares for that child. This is the one part I appreciate for you. The second I appreciate is that she takes that from one class to another class, she goes so fast. The speed with which she goes. And इतनी फुर्ती में जाना, फुर्ती में जाती है एक क्लास से दूसरी क्लास में और पूरा जो कभी रश्मि मैडम या सुषमा मैम ने को कभी कुछ काम दिया काउंट देने का या एग्जामिनेशन का, वो मुझे भी पता है क्योंकि मेरे रूम में भी कई बार आती थी मुझे दिखाने की यशु मैडम देखो मैं क्या कर रही हूँ आजकल। और मैंने इसको एक बारी अपने रिसेंट चार्ज एक प्रोजेक्ट दिया था लर्न किया था जिसमें इतने सारे बच्चे कर रहे थे 8-9-25 जानी थी और इसने कहा मैम आप चिंता क्यों कर रहे हो, मैं ले जा रही हूँ ना, मैं ले जाऊंगी। मैंने इसको कहा तेरे को लिया तुम ले जाना टीचर से बच्चों को और वापस भी सही सलामत ले आना और इसने उसको बहुत ब्यूटीफुली निभाया था। And the last thing I want to say is about ATA. इतनी खुशी मेरे को नहीं होती है मेरे टीचर्स को नहीं होती हमारा प्रोजेक्ट सेलेक्ट होता है उससे ज्यादा इसको होती है। ये थोड़ी थोड़ी हमारी लैब में आएगी और कहेगी अच्छा लैब से कब शुरू कराती है लैब के और आके कहेगी मैडम इसको फटाफट फेसबुक पे डालो अभी बताना है मैंने अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली को बताना है आज डिनर पे आने वाला है ना। So I will share the achievement of ATL. तो इसको ATL achievements की भी बहुत वो हमारे साथ शेयर करती है और we will miss you. And मैं विश करती हूँ आपकी काफी अच्छी हेल्थ हो, काफी खुश रहे आप और यूएस जा रही हैं तो अमित देश बैठा है उसको बता देना मैंने उसे भी याद किया ना तो पढ़ाई में बहुत टाइम किया 90s में 2000 में होगा नहीं 2005 ठीक है ओके थैंक यू
एटीएम के लिए आपको कभी भी जरूरत हो
मुझे पता है only takes round every week. She comes once in a week in ATM.
She talks more to Ramana than I talk to them.
और मुझे कहेंगे आप इसको फटाफट फेसबुक पे क्यों नहीं डाल रहे आपके बच्चे रशिया जा रहे हैं आपके बच्चे बेंगलोर
आपकी बात
आती है एटीएम
मैं आप यूएस में चले जाओ कहीं भी आपको बाद में
पकड़ लेंगे सर नाउ ऑन द वर्चुअल प्लेटफॉर्म एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल ओके
Thank you, Yeshuba. I would now request Mrs. Rashmi Katuria to come up and say a few words. Let us wish her joy and happiness, strength for her coming days.
Respected principal ma'am, dear Mrs. Butler and everybody who is present over here. I'm really happy to share about a teacher who has actually transformed her journey from a 20th century teacher to the 21st century. I can proudly say that. She is the one from the group of class 7 and 8 who has never ever said no to any new thing which we have tried. And I would be happy to share with you, not see, but you will actually see it happening on the screen. May I request Gurpreet to share something here with all of us?
Yes, ma'am.
And you will cherish your memories. Next project. She's so participative, and you see the kind of activities which she has performed. Wonderful. This is the following. However, Now listen to her.
We are learning e-diaries and it is very exciting. It is very easy also. Rashmi has taught us very well how to do it. So this is how we write. I will give you a demo.
Please teach me like how to write an e-diary.
Type voice typing and then click the speak and see how it comes.
And this was in the year 2017.
Plantation side. I am going to
She used to do tree plantation, and from her home, she regarded this video as a motivation for all the children. And 800 children planted saplings by looking at her video. To her, like how she's taking her online classes. So confidently. And communicating with the children on TikTok. These are all live things.
And in that campus, there's a long list that India will be a democratic, sovereign, socialist country. All our goals are written in that. And for the
And see this one. We had and you know what she shared? Just look at this.
I hope it's clear to you. Yes, it is very much clear and very interesting.
You remember this?
When India got independence,
The teacher to follow the camera and have a contact with the children. And please explain them like how it is working with family environment and how it connects to the children. And this is one good example. Alexa.
Amazing. It's 17 years old. So, they have learned the meaning of
1950 के अंदर जो रिपब्लिक डे परेड में तो मुझे very much my grandfather got it. इसके 4 मिनट रखे दिए थे. So that the people know कि हमारा टाइम कहाँ है. ये म्यूजियम बनाने लगे जिससे सारी ओल्ड
Congratulations.
Thank you, Rashmi ma'am. Now we move on to a student. One of our students of class 8 wishes to express her feelings. Akakshara Mahajan of class 8. Over to you, Akakshara.
A very good afternoon to everyone present here. Dear Anita ma'am, I want to speak few lines on your retirement today. You are sweet and generous, with fun, loving and humorous. You taught us stories of past as lessons for future. We always be naughty, but you always bear us kindly and watch us like a mother. We are sorry if we have broken your heart, and remember us always like flowers of your own pot. We miss you already, so be our constant guide. Today, we will reach you on WhatsApp, Twitter, and Facebook, and other websites. Tomorrow and day after, keep on smiling with us for a whole life. We will always miss you, Anita ma'am. You will remain in our hearts like a guide, a mother, and an inspiration. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Akakshara. That was beautiful. Now is the time for a presentation. A presentation of a collage of throwback pictures, because some memories never fade away. Let's witness the timeless treasures of the heart.
एकदम पहचानना कि आप हो कि नहीं।
This is the day I joined my job now. 1981. 1981. Oh, this is my daughter. बच्चों को लेके this is solar. जाने जा रहे वो मैं जाना था वैसे आपको
We have a whole lot of video messages from teachers to her. All these would be sent to her. If you wish to witness the same, the links are very much available.
You will get all this with you. Virtual wishes.
Indeed, it must have been a roller coaster ride of emotions for Bajjar ma'am. I would now like to invite Mrs. Seema Lal, Head of the Department Social Science, to say a few words.
Thank you, Suchitra ma'am. I hope I'm audible. So that's the usual question. Please let me know if I'm audible.
Yes, very good.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Very good afternoon, respected principal ma'am, in charges, and our dearest Anita Bajjar ma'am, sir, family members who have joined us from distant places, and my dear friends. It is always hard to say goodbye to those who are close to us, especially to our colleagues with whom we spend our maximum time. Bajjar ma'am, that's how we address her in the department. She is one of the pillars of Kolachi Social Science Department, known for her energy, dedication, and sincerity towards her subject. She is an expert in her subject, always willing to share and grow. As Rashmi ma'am just mentioned, she is the one who, without thinking twice, learned the latest tools, knowingly that she's just about to retire. And she is admired by all of us because of her affable nature. Because of her cordial nature, she not only has friends in Kolachi, but also is very much known in so many other DAV schools, and which we notice when we go for the capacity building programs. She's very much sought after there also. full of energy and zeal. Do you know, ma'am has never, or I would say hardly ever, used the school lift and goes for a walk every day. Ma'am travels a lot and has visited many places of tourism. And an interesting thing is that we all get a virtual tour of her visits, for she brings back pictures and information. Post them on Facebook, and often we use this information to make our teaching interesting. Another thing for which I respect ma'am is for her patriotic spirit. Over the years, she has been regularly going to Independence Day and Republic Day celebrations. And believe me, whenever we see her with PM Modi ji or a cabinet member, it is a feeling of pride. It is a matter of honor and proud that Sir Shri Ramesh Chandji is at such a high position. I gave his reference when I taught Niti Aayog recently in class 12. This is the topic that has been recently introduced in the 12th class syllabus. It really feels great to be associated. Ma'am is very resourceful and very well connected. In 2011 and 12, both of us formed the UN club, Sanyukt Club. Ma'am would suggest activities. She would also arrange for related excursions, and she was the one who would get material from the embassies for the students. And whenever we went to MUNs, she and I had spent a wonderful time learning from each other, sharing things with each other. She is always there to extend help. Such is her zeal and enthusiasm. Bajil ma'am is a humble soul, down to earth and approachable. Be it students or teachers, she has always been there to guide, suggest, and help the department. And I'm sure everybody would agree with me that we have never seen ma'am angry, irritated, or perturbed. She maintains a calm composure with a smile on her face. And something we all would cherish for years is her hospitality. Everyone in the department has had the pleasure to be her guest in her beautiful house, where she welcomes everyone and at the end of it, gifts all with fresh veggies straight from her kitchen. Ma'am, you are leaving us with tons of memories. On behalf of the department, Kavita, Suhana, Neha, Ranjini, Jaya, Aditi, Sonali, and the teachers who have just left, Prerna and Palka, I thank you for always spreading your positive energy among us. I thank you for all the good memories that we have created together. Friends never say goodbye to each other because deep inside the heart, they know they will be in touch forever. Good wishes for your future. Life after retirement is like a second inning of life. May you have the best of new beginnings. We shall always stay connected. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being with us. It has been such a delight and pleasure. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
Thank you, Seema ma'am. I now move on to Simmi Tandon to say a few words.
Thank you, ma'am. My best regards to everyone present here. Well, today we have all accumulated here for the goodbye function of our dear Mrs. Anita Bajar. It is said that goodbyes are not forever. Goodbyes are not the end. This simply means I'll miss you until we meet again. Ma'am, you have always been so humble, supportive, caring, and of all, so motherly to me. The very first person whom I met when I joined this institution. Since then, we've been a family. In all our good and tough times, you've always been there to hold me, support me. I'm really going to miss you, ma'am, a lot. May your second inning get you all the more happiness, good health, and your family's love. Though miles may lie between us, we are never apart. For friendship doesn't count miles, it's measured by the heart. And ma'am, we all love you and we really wish you all the very best for your retired life. There are good ships, there are wood ships. The ship that sail in the sea. But the best ship is the friendship and may this always be. Thank you so much and love you loads.
Thank you, Simi. That was nice.
Thank you.
I now invite Bachchan ma'am to say a few words.
This is the most difficult time. Yes, it's very difficult. Good afternoon, Principal Ma'am, Rachel Ma'am, Manju Ma'am, Subhalu Ma'am, Rashmi Ma'am, all my friends who have spared time for me today. You must have been tired after a whole day of meeting them, and then Bachchan Ma'am is taking another time. Few minutes, I'll take few minutes. Yes. Now, my professional journey, it started in 1981 from Chandigarh. So I started teaching in Sabzur Public School, Chandigarh. I taught in various DAV organization, I can say institutions. I taught in DAV Ludhiana, I taught in DAV Solan, and then I moved to Karachi. So I spent nearly 34 years with the DAV institutions, and out of which 27 are in Karachi. And this journey of teaching, it has been so wonderful that I forgot the sense of time, and the years went like days. DAV has given me much more than employment. I got good friends, I got opportunity to work with good leaders and enjoy with my talented students. Today is the day when I want to pay my gratitude to my mentors at every stage who assigned me with various duties at different stages along with teaching. As Vice Principal of DAV Public School Solan, I learned the challenges of administration and got the opportunity to interact with top brass of DAV management. And as a reward of this, my dedication, I got a transfer to Karachi Hansraj in 1993. And at this important moment, I remember and pay my sincere tribute to Shri Darbari Lalji, the then organizing secretary of DAV College Managing Committee. Now, my coming to Karachi, it is also very interesting. I was about to resign from DAV Solan, but one of our office clerk, he said, "Ma'am, don't resign. You know everyone in DAV management. Why don't you go and meet Darbari Lalji?" I said, "Okay, I'll go and meet." I used to call him Bauji. So I vividly recall my husband joined Institute of Economic Growth, and I went to rather at home only, and I met him early in the morning. He was also with me. Yes, we met him early in the morning. I said, I used to call him Bauji. I said, "Bauji, my husband has come to Delhi now, so I don't know what to do. I don't want to leave my job." He said, "Okay, have you brought your luggage?" I said, "No, we are yet to pack up." He said, "Okay, you come when you come, you bring your luggage and then you come." So after 20 days, again we came, and he said, "Have you settled now?" I said, "Yes." "Okay. Which school you want to go to?" "I don't know any school in Delhi. I'm new to Delhi." I said, "Okay, so it is in Delhi University, you go to Karachi Hansraj." This is how I came to Karachi Hansraj. I met Datta ma'am and I gave my application, and immediately she said, "Okay, leave your application here, we'll see." I was surprised. I again went to college. I said, "Ma'am is saying that we will see it." And in the meantime, Datta ma'am was there. He said, in Punjabi said, "Mummy, इस बेटी का इतना टाइम क्यों वेस्ट करवाना है? She has to join today." I joined at 11 o'clock in Karachi Hansraj. He said, "He has to join today." So this was a result of my dedication, and the wording he used at that time, he said, "You are an asset to DAV organization." I can never forget that wording, and it gave me more energy, more zeal to work for DAV organization. And as we say, the advice of elders, it is always very useful. He advised me one more thing in Punjabi. He said, don't tell anyone what you were in DAV student. I was surprised. I said, no, don't tell anyone. And that really helped me to adjust in the new environment, which I realized later on. I was very young at that time. And then Datta ma'am, she entrusted with many other duties. She made me floor coordinator very fast, asked me to join MUNs, different clubs, which other people have also spoken. And we really enjoyed in that Vivekanand house function at that time. But I did my duty to utmost sincerity. And the bus duty, which Yeshu ma'am, principal ma'am, everyone has said, in the last days, I used to get a lot of scolding from my family. Why you are going in bus? Why you are traveling in bus? We have a car, driver, everything is sitting at home. I said, no, I will continue till the end. As long as I am working, I will be working like a normal teacher. So I traveled till the last day in my school bus. And I hope ma'am will have to find a new teacher now to that area. There is no one in that area now, I know. So after Datta ma'am, we got equally capable principal, Sri Varma ma'am here. She took the reins of Kulachi, and ma'am is known for discipline and hard administration. But I found she is equally soft and caring. She appreciated my work and encouraged me to continue teaching even after my retirement. Thank you, ma'am. I'm grateful to you for that. Everything you do. But time demands now that I should spend some time with my family and enjoy with my grandchildren. Now see the coincidence. Ma'am's father appointed me to this school, and ma'am is leaving me from this school. This is also part of life. This is part of life. Yes. And the last days of my career, I should say, I became a student. Online teaching. My God, I thought in the beginning that it's not my cup of tea. Lot of stress. But the constant motivation of Rashmi Kapuria ma'am persuaded me to learn. And today, I'm a confident online teacher. And I think I'll be able to teach my grandchildren also. And I thank all my young colleagues who helped me in this process. I disturbed Rashmi ma'am and my friends even at odd hours. Whenever I had a problem, I would disturb them and say, ma'am, please help me. My thanks to all present here, Yeshu ma'am, Manju ma'am, Silvani ma'am, with whom I had long association. I shared my joys and sorrows with Yeshu ma'am, Manju ma'am. Manju ma'am taught me examination. Yes. I was with you for a long time in examination. Yes. And the greatest reward which I got in Kulachi is the love and affection of my students. Wherever I go, even in the LA airport, I find students. So they always help. And a student this year, a 12th class student, I still remember, he said, ma'am, you are retiring this year, but I will not be here at that time. So she gave me a book, a card, and she said, please open it on the day of your retirement. Today I am going to open it. I did not open it. Yes. Then open it only on the day of your retirement. Very good student of class 12. So Kulachi has given me wonderful friends with whom I share my joys and sorrows. We will miss the staff room friends, staff room parties, how much we enjoyed eating here. And I can never forget the respect I got from our office staff and all class 4 employees. I don't think anyone has ever said no to me for anything. Thanks to Ajay sir and all the members of our staff office. And friends, it's a time when I have to be relieved now. And the only thing I can say at the end is, thank you very much. Is a very small but very impressive word in English language. I thank you all for making my stay a memorable one in Kulachi. Thanks to all members of the family. Thank you.
We'll miss you, ma'am.
I miss all of you.
Thank you, Bajjar ma'am. As you enter into a new phase of life and life goes on day by day, don't forget to keep in touch, and fondly do we say, you will be thought of here in the most cherished way. We wish you all the best for your retirement. Take pleasure in the finer things that are awaiting you. All the best to you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. All the best. One person
That was so nice, Seema ma'am. You were so good.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah,
so much.
Seema, you spoke very
Seema
well.
ma'am, beautiful. Seema ma'am, very nice.
Yes.
Seema, you spoke very well. Nice.
Seema ma'am,
Thank you so much. Family is still there.
we are all there for you.
Yeah, you know, when I was sleeping in the night, I just thought at the end I would say like from the department. Then I said no, it should be everybody's name. So early in the morning, I just thought I should name
That was so
everybody
nice.
because I know it's the entire department. I mean, who really wanted to say so many things. So thank
You
you.
were very natural. You were very natural.
Yes, very impressive.
Very natural. Yeah.
Very impressive. Yes.
Thank you so much, all of you. Yeah.
Why didn't you play?
And it's good to be with you.
Seema ma'am, you're perfectly fine now.